Hi, teacher.
Where did you go? Did you just get home?
Now I'm just preparing for
Oh,
you.
okay. I know that you went to the pool today. Did you? No?
Yeah, this morning at 5:30 to 6:30, but now I'm going to learn IELTS.
Oh, wow.
This is the first day.
Okay. So how was it? Easy?
Um,
Easy?
no, it's just I don't know much.
But what can you say? Do you think IELTS is um manageable? Is it okay? Is it difficult or just
It is
normal?
because it's our first day, so it's a bit easy. But our homework is
Okay.
very much.
Okay, well, that is good to know, Lina. Okay, so just keep on learning and it will be easier for you. So, did you eat your lunch already?
Mm, yes.
Oh, yes, you did. That's nice.
I don't
You
know.
ate.
My mom's cooking lunch. It's noodle.
Oh, okay, your mom is still cooking. Okay, that's fine. Now, Lina, we'll talk about the vocabulary. Okay, so we're done talking about documentary, right? So can you tell me again, what is it? Documentary. Can you remember it?
Um, mm,
Documentary.
I don't know.
You don't know what that is?
Yes,
Okay.
I forgot. I just forgot.
Hmm. Okay. So remember, Lina, when we say documentary, it is a type of movie or TV show that explains real life events. Okay, it's a type of movie, Lina, that explains or show us real events. Like for example, documentaries about animals, so you can see how they behave in their habitat. Okay, did you get that?
Okay.
Remember it. Remember it is different to document or files PDF in Word. Okay. So that is documentary, Lina. Now, what
Uh,
about action? Action.
is mean is uh is is a is a is a noun that shows that people is doing something
What something is that? They're doing what?
like hopping, jumping, or walking and running.
Mhm. Okay, those are indeed actions. But in here, Lina, when we say action, since we're talking about movies, a movie that involves fighting. Okay, involves excitement, fighting, and violence. Do you know The Rock, Lina? Do you know The Rock?
Um,
Do you
hmm.
or Jackie Chan?
Okay, okay,
Do you know?
but I don't
Okay.
know James Bond movie.
Oh, you don't know James Bond? Okay, so he is as well an actor, Lina, that is good when it comes to action. One. Okay, so that is. And what about romance?
Uh,
Romance.
is romance? Is a country or a city?
Is it a country or a city? No, it's not a place, Lina. But it is a type of movie that is all about love and relationship. Okay, all about
Oh, I don't
love.
like that
Yes. Oh, you don't like it? Why don't you like it?
because it's not for me.
Oh, it's not for you to watch. Okay, I see. And I believe the next one is for you. We have here comedy.
Comedy,
What is
comedy,
comedy? Yeah.
comedy is uh wait, I almost remember.
Hmm. You know this one? We have encountered this one in your
Is funny?
composition book. Okay, so when we say funny, it is a type of movie or play, Lina, that is meant to make people laugh. Okay, it's intended to make people laugh or happy. Okay, that is comedy. You told me yesterday that you like watching comedy. Okay, so that's comedy. Now, what about animated?
Um uh animated is maybe is a cartoon. If this a
Okay.
is this a cartoon? Like a
Yes, it
cartoon?
is. Yes, it is, Lina. Okay, so when we say animated, it's still a type of film, a movie, or play that is made using drawings, models that look as if they are moving. Okay, like for example, the Toy Story. Do you know Toy Story? Have you watched it?
Mm, Um, you say again?
Are you familiar with the movie Toy Story, Lina?
Oh yes, but I didn't watch it.
Oh, watch it. Okay, but at least you're familiar with it. Okay, so that is an example of an
I know this,
animated
but like the
film.
toy have a cowboy and a girl boy, girl
Yes,
cowboy.
that one. Okay, yes,
And when
that
someone
one.
comes, they say stop or freeze or something. I didn't watch yet, and they will freeze and they fall down.
Yes, they will. Um, they will freeze as if they can't move or they don't have life, but actually they can talk. Okay, that is animated, Lina. Next one, thriller.
Uh, yes.
Thriller, Lina.
Um, thriller. It's like from Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah, I hear the song Thriller or something.
Oh, you know the song titled Thriller? Oh, about that, Lina.
Um,
Okay, so
uh,
know that Michael Jackson singer, but he doesn't have a movie. Okay, so Thriller, Lina, it is a story that is intended to make people to feel excited and fearful. Okay, so it creates
it's
excitement
the
or tension.
it's like Doraemon.
It's like Doraemon.
Yeah. In the the beginning of the frame I've watched is very happy, and when the ends from the ends of the frame is very sad. A car
Why?
a car named Buggy died for
Mm-hmm.
them. He helped them.
Oh. Oh, okay, I see. Because I'm familiar with that Doraemon, but I haven't watched it fully yet. Okay, so that is what happened. Okay, so that is
Oh, it's Michael
Thriller.
Jackson Thriller.
What? Michael Jackson Thriller?
Have a Thriller is he have an album that he have a I don't know much, but they says he have a Thriller.
No, maybe not Thriller, but Trailer. Trailer is
Trailer. Oh,
different.
okay.
Yes, it's different to Thriller. Thriller and Trailer, Lina. Okay. So next one we have science fiction. What about science fiction?
The Plinko Pie. Can you say again?
Science fiction.
I know science, but I don't know fiction.
Okay. So when we say fiction, Lina, it means it is not real. Okay? Not real. So when we say non-fiction, it is real. Okay? The opposite of fiction. So when we say science fiction, it is a type of story that is based on imaginary future discoveries and inventions. Lina, they are not actually real, but we just create them on our mind. Okay, that is science fiction. Okay, like
Um,
for example, Lina, about the robot, um, they will occupy the world. Okay, so those are all about science fiction. Those are just imaginary. Okay, future one. They are not really real. Okay, not real.
um,
Okay, wait, let me
uh,
translate it.
khoa học viễn tưởng,
I didn't know this too in Vietnamese.
Oh, you don't. Oh, you don't know it through in Vietnamese. But
Yes.
remember, Lina, that when we say science fiction, these are the type of stories or movies that are based on futuristic or scientific concepts. Okay, so that is science fiction about the future, Lina, and future discoveries and invention about what could happen, what could possibly happen in the future. Okay, those kind of films are science fiction. Now, what about fantasy?
Okay. Just a bit. Remember this. Just a bit. Remember this because it's a
Okay,
bit impossible.
no, it's not. I think you are fond of this.
What is sponge?
I think you like watching this kind of movie, Lina. Fantasy.
Um, is mean. Hmm. Is very good. Fantastic. It's like fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fantastic is different to fantasy because when we say fantastic, that is an adjective. However, fantasy right here, it is a noun. It is a type of story, Lina, involving magic, adventure, and imaginary
It's like
worlds.
fairy
Uh,
tales.
yes, fairy tales. That's why I told you, oh, you like watching this kind of movie. Okay, so that is fantasy, magic, Lina, full of magic, like Harry Potter, Alice in Wonderland. Okay, so those films, those movies are examples of fantasy movies. Okay, you
Okay.
know Harry Potter, right?
Yeah, I have some books at home.
Okay, and have you read it?
Um, I just read only middle of the first book about the philosopher's stone.
Oh, okay. That's fine, Nina. Okay, so when you have time, you can finish that anyway. Now, last one, we have drama.
Is uh is a trouble that is a trouble that is a problem or trouble something.
A problem or being in trouble. Okay, so when we say drama, Lina, these are the type of movies or stories that are usually serious, like for example, about family matter, wherein it could be deeply moving. Okay, so it talks about serious situations, serious stories that will focus on your emotion. So you will be deeply moved. Okay, so you will feel how the characters in the story are feeling. You will be involved. Okay, that is drama. Okay? Do you get it now, Lina?
Okay.
Now let us practice. So I want you to fill in the blanks using the words above. Above. Okay, so blank movies are romantic. What kind of movie is romantic, Lina? Okay, can
Yes.
you look at what kind of movie is romantic? Can you look at the option?
Hmm. Action.
Action movies are romantic. Are you sure?
Hmm. Is uh romance movie or romantic?
Okay, yes, romance movies are
It's have a
romantic. What about
romance.
two? Yes, what about for two? Blank movies are exciting.
Fantastic.
Fantasy movies. Okay, yes, I would agree. Now, next one, blank movies are frightening. What
Horror.
movie is frightening? Okay, yes, it's horror. What movie is funny?
Comedy.
Okay, great job. What movie is serious?
Science fiction.
Science fiction. Blank movies are serious. What
I don't know.
movie is serious? It's drama, right?
Oh.
Yes, because it has to move you, Lina. You must be involved in the story. Now, last one, black movies are violent. What movie is violent, Lina?
Um. Uh. hmm, Action.
Okay, yes, that's right. Action movies are violent because it
I
is
just
meant.
correct 5/6, and you doing the series.
That's fine, Lina. That's okay. Not a problem at all. Okay, so we'll continue now to dialogue. Okay, so you have to read this one with me, Lina. I want you to understand what you were reading because you have to answer some questions after this dialogue. Okay? Okay?
Um.
Yes? Do you
Uh,
get me? Do you get me, Lina?
mm,
Okay, so in here you will be Ling. Okay, so we will take turns. What type of movies do you like,
Okay,
Leng?
so I answered of them.
Yes, you will answer all the questions, but you have to read it with me first. You will be Leng. Okay, let us start now. Let us start again. What types of movies do you like, Leng?
Is
I like.
is I like the Doraemon movie.
No, you're not going to answer the question, Lina. You have to read the dialogue with me.
What does that mean?
Next one.
I like movie that makes me laugh. So I love comedies, but I also like romance movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
It's Titanic, Lina. Titanic.
Titanic.
What
In
type
Vietnamese,
of
we say
movie?
my mom and my dad go into the movie, and when they get home, they says, "Where are you going?" Then they says, "No, I'll go. We are going to see the movie Titanic." Titanic. In Vietnamese, they say so.
Ah, okay, it's Titanic, Lina. Okay, what type of movie is it?
Um, Titanic is a boat. Is a boat.
Okay, yes, you have to read this one, Lina. You have to read
Okay,
it.
okay. It's a romance.
What is it about?
It is set on a trip in early one. I don't know how to say
19,
this year.
1900. 1900.
1900s is about a love story that happens on the Titanic while it sinks. Is
Why
it
do you like
real?
it? Yes.
Is it real?
So, yeah, it is really, Lina.
Oh my. So there's a ship under the sea?
Yes.
So they says other story from that reality to a film?
Yeah, it is actually a combination of real life tragedy with fictional characters, Lina. Okay, so it is true that the Titanic is a real event that happened in the past. But I don't know about the story. I think it's not it we don't really have those characters, Lina. They are just fictional.
Um
But it's true that the Titanic sank. Okay, so now can you tell me why do you like it?
because I like it because
The
uh
story?
where the love story is very romantic, and I always cry when I watch it. I think it's a movie film.
Okay, now can you tell me what type of movies does Ling like?
It's a love story.
Is it a love story, Lina? Yes,
Um,
he did say that he likes
romance story,
romance and
romance and love.
comedy. Romance is just the same as love, Lina. What is Ling's
I don't
favorite
know
movie?
the second.
What is Ling's favorite movie? It's Hi.
Mm,
Oh, we just talked about it, Lina. What is Ling's favorite movie?
is Titanic.
When is Ling's favorite movie set?
Um,
It is set in the 19.
1900 S.
Okay, yes, that is right. Thank you so much, and I believe that's all it for our class today, Lina. So tomorrow we'll
Hey
have
teacher, when you go to Vietnam, I have crochet. Do you remember the planet crochet? If you come here,
yeah.
I will put for you. I give you that planet.
Okay, that's so sweet of you, Lina. Yes, sure. In the future, Lina. Thank you so much. And you can eat your lunch now. Goodbye, Lina.
Goodbye, teacher.